Now remember one thing. When you tamper with any parameter, attack and release, you are changing the sound. Then question is, I am hearing all the record, do you mean say they have not used compressor? Of course they have used compressor limiter. But there is no reference of original. If there is no original reference, how can I know it's compressed or uncompressed? Correct or not? Sound engineer can compare very fast. Ear is very good in that. But if there is no reference, how can I do it? You give me original CD uncompressed and you give me MP4. Even if you don't tell me, बोलेगा बकवास है. Because I got original which is better. Any other question? बाकी भी है कोई है? हाँ बोलो. ये जरूरी नहीं कि कंप्रेसर यूज करना चाहिए. नंबर 1, ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है. अभी फॉर एग्जांपल मीठा जो है गुड़ से बनता है, मीठा शक्कर से भी बनता है. कहते नहीं, मीठा के तरीके हैं ना. गुड़ भी बनाते हैं, पाम का गुड़ भी होता है बंगाल में आपके. You can have brown sugar also, not that one, other one, brown sugar. Right or not? मिश्री से भी हम मीठा डाल सकते हैं. अभी खट्टा डालने का है तो खट्टा इमली से भी होता है, नींबू से भी होता है, कच्चे आम से भी होता है, खट्टा टमाटर उससे भी होता है. What is the function of a compressor? Compressor is basically that low level signal which is lost in the drum or heavy music, you can hear it. So I say, I love you, baby. Oh, I इधर निकल गया. No, I cannot tell Donna Summer कि जरा loud गा, hey, love you, baby. वो expression निकल गया. The passionate expression has come out. Because you cannot have passion with loud unless you are South Indian. Yerra vande gidi India. Lapo mandre. Idindode. They talk like this. Hero heroine. Love sequence. बराबर है? तमिलियन. यार बंदे क्यों नहीं किया भाई यार. बोला गाली निकाला, बोला कोई बात, तभी फिर उसे प्यार करता हूँ. Sound as expression. Now the question is that the compressor basically is to control the dynamics. Now human dynamics are there, I can sing softly, loudly. But to fit in on the music, that means I have to compress high. So naturally low will come up. Why? Correct? Because the makeup gain. Correct? Correct or not? That you understand the makeup gain? The gain I lost, I make it again. So what is happening? The low level signal has come up. So I get more soft and loud. Still dynamics I get. And still I can compress it. The other thing is, suppose I want to compress 8 dB. एक तो ये होता ना पहली शॉट में 8 dB. आई कैन गिव 8:1, 8 dB इनपुट गया, 1 dB आउट आ गया. राइट? आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस थ्योरी ना? रेशो. राइट? वेरी गुड है योर स्टूडेंट्स हैं. गुड अरंजन, यू ट्रेन देम वेल. सो आई कैन डू दैट ना, एक ही झटके में. कैन यू बी ए फ्रेंडली, सॉरी है द गर्ल्स आर देयर, कैन यू बी फ्रेंडली विद द गर्ल? पहले हाथ पकड़ लिया, I give this example, you will never forget. हर गर्ल was approaching, भले पहले पकड़ लिया है, चल मेरे साथ कॉफ़ी चलते हैं पीते हैं, चल सिनेमा देखते हैं, ऐसा होता है. पहले से बात करोगे, हाउ आर यू, व्हाट्स योर नेम, वेरी रेड, कैन आई हैव योर मोबाइल नंबर. तेरे बहन नहीं है क्या घर पे, मोबाइल नंबर लेने का नहीं, पहले ही लफड़ा है. पंजाबी तेरे घर पे नहीं है, हाँ नहीं, सॉरी ओके फाइन. तो कहने का मतलब क्या है, when you want to do 80 dB compression and you think it is there, you do maybe 2-3 dB in recording with proper slow attack, slow release or fast release, depends upon that. According to me, when you compress, what you want to compress? Number one, that's attack time. Second thing is, release is how the waveform is falling. If my release time is exactly how it's falling, then I am okay. If the waveform, bass guitar is dum, is falling like this, and you say dum, you change the release. It's impossible to teach compression, use of compression. I have been using it for so many years and teaching it, but I teach you like that. So basically, that means you modify the sound little. Then when you are mixing, again in the input channel you can again put 2-3 dB. So you have achieved how many? 3 plus 2, 5 dB. Now you have got still 3 dB which you can do in the final master, in the limiting stage. Whenever you change a waveform, don't drastically change it. Because once you kill the sound, you can't bring it back. Over compression can give you constrained sound. Constrained. The other thing is, wrong compression can make a old singer more older. Because his breathing and all that will come. Why? Breathing is low level. Suppose there is air conditioned noise will also come up more. So you have to have discretion. Can I use, some people say compression should be used only in the mixing. Not necessary. If you are good, you can use compression in the recording and in the mixing and the final mastering. Who can stop you? In mastering stage also, what you are doing? You are basically doing equalization and the compression limiter. And if it's multi-band, naturally you are touching certain band which is giving trouble. Some engineers use multi-band in the initial stage, but I never recommend to the student. Because your setting is wrong, पहले तो मालूम ही नहीं है. पहले का खा नहीं सीखा, का खा गा और ऐसे लिखना चालू कर दिया. So this is a stage. Unless you done first leveler, no, it's called leveler, it's called dynamic controller. So compressor is basically mild, where you want little control of level. It may be possible you don't need second stage compression. You can also use compression and limiting at the same time, depending upon the signal. Suppose I am bass guitar, I am playing dum 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 dum. Mohini Day. कुत्ता मार, कुत्ता बेस हो जा रहा है. मैंने पूछा मोहिनी डे के बारे में. Music is not to show your fingering. Music is to play and touch the soul. Fade in is not with the mouse. Fade in you do with hand. Cross fade you do with hand. You will see your fade will be always better than the mouse. तो mouse में क्या होता है, बनाया अरे यार ठीक नहीं, undo. फिर फेड अप हो जाता है, यार कितनी बार 5-6 बार किया. इफ़ यू डू विद हैंड मे बी इन सेकेंड रन यू विल डू इट करेक्टली. How can you do echo? Pa-pam, 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 like this I want to do. So how you will do with the computer? उसको उठा pa-pam, 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 pa-pam. सुना ये अलग आर्टिफिशियल लगता है. पा 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 ऐसा. Sound is smooth. It should be. Your mix should be so smooth. Don't know what you are doing. Done. So compressor basically means you are leveling basically. But if somebody is leveling in front of the microphone, let us say पंडित हरिप्रसाद चौरसिया, जब शॉर्ट पैसेज होगा नज़दीक आ जाएंगे, जब लॉर्ड होगा पीछे हो जाएंगे. वो व्हाट इज डूइंग? ही इज सो स्मार्ट, ही इज कंट्रोलिंग हिज फूक and placement, because that is what his experience is. Any good singer will automatically go back when he is singing loud, or maybe little bit, because she knows if I come it will jar the sound. That is what she is doing in verse Kerala in a small form. So compression basically means what you are. Do you want to change the sound or you want to control the sound? When you do compressor, you compress one channel, right? Then as you are changing dialing the parameter, you think, now it is controlled, but sound is still original. That is the beauty of a compressor. Normally what happens in an inferior quality compressor, the HF gets lost. High frequency is like muffled hogi sound. But high quality compressor, if you use Thermonic culture, mainly Focusrite red series, blue series. See, the problem with today technician is they have never seen the hardware in working. Because you have not seen the hardware working, you think the plug-in is the only one. Plug-in is the basis of hardware. Whether you use Lexicon or TC Electronics, it is a emulation of that. It is not exact that. They are trying to say yes is exactly why human ear, if doesn't have the reference, it can be fooled. But human ear cannot be fooled if it got reference. अभी ये 2 लड़कों ने ब्लैक शर्ट, तीन है, इसने पहना हुआ, बेटे ने, आपका नाम क्या है? शुभांकर ने पहना, आपने? आटम, पार्थ, हाँ पार्थ ने पहना, उन्होंने पहना नवोनिया. अभी तीनों ने ब्लैक पहना ना, तो मैं आपको इसमें लगता है यह सबसे ब्लैक वही है. लेकिन आई लाइक दिस शर्ट विच आई गॉट मिक्स इन ग्रे. Why? Because it is a reference. The human senses of all 5 senses are good in comparison. So when you do compression, you have every authority to master it by changing attack and release and ratio. उसमें पैरामीटर 3 ही है ना, अटैक, रिलीज एंड रेशो. थ्रेशोल्ड इज फ्रॉम विच स्टार्ट. अगर लेवल ही अंदर नहीं है तो थ्रेशोल्ड क्या करेगा? That basically means the level should come inside ना. That means your level should trigger at least 80%. पता लगा 20% आ रहा और थ्रेशोल्ड घुमा रहे, कुछ हो ही नहीं रहे, बोले साला प्लगइन बकवास है. बोलेंगे ना ऐसा, बकवास है, किसने बनाया? बेव्स है, बेकार है, सबको बोल देंगे बेव्स का प्लगइन मत खरीदना है, वो थ्रेशोल्ड काम ही नहीं करता उसका. That is why they are giving you meters, input and output. The other thing in the plug-in, let me tell you, since we are discussing that, in plug-in, always keep some margin, input and output. Because if the output of one plug-in goes to second plug-in, if you are overloading that overloading distortion will keep on. Now that is not a overload of electronic, it is a digital overload. It's called digital overload. You get some harsh sound, ऐसा लगता blade लगा दिया है. ऐसा काट दिया उसको. Now where to use limiter and compressor? Limiter is when the peak is coming. Now for example, limiter is like this. Let us say I got a level like this, 0. I limit 10 dB, it goes down, I do the makeup gain, right? The level is again come to 0 dB, right? Now when you hear before limiter and after limiter, because 10 dB means twice the loudness, you become more louder. The other thing you must remember is, when you do final mix, you must be able to see the peak and the average. Now this is related to mastering. Most of the people today, these days, when they do MP3 and all, MP4, if you see the meter, you will see sometime the music is 2-3 dB में घूमता है needle. That means it is over normalized or compressed or limiter. It's normalized. Normalized basically means the data, which is digital data, has been pushed up. That is a horrible thing to do. You are killing the music. What is the point of using Neumann microphone, SSL mixer, and this Jinleg monitor and Daman Sood ka Nishish hai, when you are mutilating the sound in the end? Let me give an example. If you have a uncompressed audio, you play through VLC, iTunes, or QuickTime, something. QuickTime, hai? You play the same CD you play, uncompressed. You will be surprised to see there's huge difference in sound. But you think, अरे यार ये तो QuickTime तो सब use करते हैं, VLC तो सब use करते हैं. That is why iTunes streaming is the best today, because designed by Apple. This by mistake one day I was hearing, oh VLC काम नहीं कर रहा था. मैंने स्टूडेंट को बोला यार लगाओ ना iTunes वाला, चलो उसमें सुनते हैं. तो उसमें सुना, अरे ये साउंड इतना स्वीट एंड ब्यूटीफुल साउंड. That basically teaches me I have to know what I am doing. I don't depend on these people who are designing computer. They don't have any sense of, they are software engineer, they are algorithm operator. I am basically sound engineer, recording engineer. I must know sound where is getting mutilated. So, compressor, it is your discretion. According to me, if you are a smart engineer, you can push the low level manually in automation. Who can stop you? Anything. Let us say drum, ding, dang, dham. I want to increase this beat, ding, dang, dham, 2 dB, 3 dB. 2-3 dB में फर्क पड़ता है. You understand? Na? My ear can make out 0.5 dB. At this age, I am 71. What about you? You are a young generation. I can make out till today 5.5 dB. I can hear 10-12 kilohertz properly. Now you say, sir, तुम्हारा special ear है, कुछ नहीं है. I'll give you simple. How to keep your ear in a proper health. When you get up in the morning, always blow your nose. I always tell my students, blow your nose. Clear your sinus full. Never take hot water bath and go in the air condition. Number 2. Stop, take normal temperature bath. कितना ठंडा हो. Number 3, never sleep under the fan. That was the problem with Kavita Krishnamurti and Kavita Subramaniam. She used to always have nasal problem. नाक से आवाज आ रही. तो बोली सूद साहब मेरे जाता नहीं है. मैंने कहा तू फैन के नीचे छोड़ सोती है. मैं कहा वो बंद कर दे, पैर उधर कर दे, ठीक हो जाएगा तू 1 महीने में. लेकिन क्या हवा ऊपर चाहिए ना. या तो हवा ऊपर चाहिए या तो आवाज़ बराबर चाहिए. Third thing is never expose your human ear to loud levels. That is why these days all these plugs are ear plugs are available, scientific plugs. I have got with me 20 dB it goes down. And it is so effective. Suppose you are sitting in auto rickshaw, you put this thing, you feel you are sitting in a Mercedes Benz. I am telling you, this is my experience. So all of you buy that. जहाँ कुछ है वहाँ बंद कर दिया है. You're still hearing but 20 dB down. It is only dropping 20 dB down. And the other thing in the communications only 1K to 4K is more important. So you can communicate anybody. बोले साहब कहाँ जाने का? तौलीगंज. तौलीगंज कितने श्रुति नंदन. इतना ही कम्युनिकेशन करने का ना उसके साथ. लेकिन क्या है, ये मुफ्त में है, कोई करेगा नहीं. और डॉक्टर कोई फिक्स करेगा नहीं. You know, I have got a case, I know, where the strip, hammer and anvil, oscillosis, the conduction, which starts from tympani, that means eardrum, to that mechanical. If there is a gap between the eardrum and this three, you will lose sensitivity. You can't listen. ऐसा लगता है कि you know you are hearing omnidirectional microphone, but you are not focusing. Living case I've got. Because that boy never listened to me, always having cough and cold, never listened, junk food eating outside. Even Ayurvedic doctor told him, stop this junk food, immune system is wrong. Now what is happening is, because his sinus has gone and affected the ear, and by the way it is both the ear. So what you have to do is, you have to put the digital hearing aid and tune it, in which frequency is falling. Genelec. So when you attend all these rock concerts and all that, take your headphone. Otherwise take this thing. को मालूम नहीं पड़ता, अंदर चला गया तो क्या मालूम पड़ेगा. Never go to the disco and stand near the bass. और bass तो इतना loud बजाते हैं, if I am sitting ना, this will move like this. Really, literally, I'm not telling you, I have done discos, isolation. तो बोलते हैं साउंड बाहर आती है. मैं बैठ रहा हूँ तो मेरा ये हिल रहा है, पैंट हिल रहा है, हवा में उड़ता जाए पैंट का दुपट्टा. Why? 60 hertz is generated. 60 hertz is the pressure of the air. And I don't know how people go there, drink whiskey and talk to one another. Hats off to focusing. Cocktail में दोनों कॉक ही हैं, मुर्गा और मुर्गी. So this is the thing. Noise gate you always use in mixing. You never use noise gate in the recording. Why? Because the thing is, if you use noise gate in the recording, it is level sensitive. You can cut it. That is, सुशीला की जगह शीला हो जाएगा, और सुशीला की जगह इला हो जाएगा, और पहला शाह और ई भी निकल गया. That you can cut. It's like a switch. So that is why when the computer is playing the same track, same level, it is better you use noise gate in the mixing. And that is why the people, no, let me tell you, the people who use multiple microphone, the drum, they clean up with the noise gate. Achha, by the way, the noise gate can be also made frequency sensitive. Like for example, the compressor, if you have a feedback chain, you can use a de-esser. Remember that? No? De-esser is nothing. De-esser means the feedback is coming at selected frequency, that is a 6 kilo, 7 kilohertz, more compression is happening. That's called de-esser. De-esser was very popular when the optical films were there, because they used to distort on the optical track. But today, we like sizzling sound. You know, like that, snaky sound. Sizzle will not. Like that. Sheila ki jawani. You understand, na? But that's the trend. You cannot say, now where you want to use this sibilance?